Good morning, students. So, in class 12, first I will start lesson 7. Okay, that is integration and integration based upon differentiation. And differentiation you have studied in class 11. Okay, so one time again I request to you all that one time revise differentiation from class 11, because when your differentiation part that will be clear, then easily you can understand integrals. Okay, integrals totally based upon differentiation, their all formulas will use here. Okay, so what is integration? Integration is inverse process of differentiation, is inverse process of differentiation. So by some formulas I will clear. Okay, this. So first I will write some formulas related differentiation. Okay. So in differentiation, sin x, their differentiation you know cos x. E power x, their differentiation e power x. Log x, their differentiation 1 upon x. Okay. Cot x, their differentiation minus cosec square x. Okay. So these are the formulas related differentiation. So by this way you will understand what is integration. Okay. So differentiation of a function, what is coming, their integration will be that function. So here differentiation of sin x, cos x. So cos x, their integration that will be sin x. Means differentiation of this function, their result is coming, that result their integration will be equal to that function whose differentiation is this. Okay. So sin x, their differentiation cos x. So cos x, their integration sin x. So you write here. Okay. So cos x dx is equal to sin x. Differentiation of this cos x. So integration of this sin x. Here e power x dx, this I will tell later. Okay. Is equal to here differentiation of function that equal to that same function. So their integration also will be equal to that function. Log x, their differentiation 1 upon x. So 1 upon x, their integration log x. Cot x, their differentiation minus cosec square x. So cosec square x, their differentiation, this minus transfer that side. Okay. Okay. So minus cot x. So maybe now understood. So which function differentiation, what is coming, their integration will be equal to that function. And integration is represented by this symbol, like this. This is the symbol of integration, and symbol of differentiation d by dx. Here, so this is the symbol of integration, and if written here integration e power x dx, so function e power x, this is function, this is integrating with respect to x. Okay, if anywhere writing like this, e power y dy, so here function is e power y and it is integrating with respect to y. Clear? So in integration we will discuss two types of integration: indefinite integrals and definite integrals. Two types of integration: indefinite integrals and second one definite integrals. So in definite integrals means if a function is given, so there infinite number of solutions. Okay. And another, if their limits are given, means we are integrating a function with limits. So there one and only one solution. Means their solution will be fixed. Okay. But if limits are not given, then they have infinite number of solutions. How? So this also you try to understand. So constant. So constant their differentiation you know 0. Constant their differentiation 0. So 0 their integration what will be? Constant. Okay. And constant that may be C1, C2, C3, C4 dot any type of constant. So their differentiation 0. Okay. So integration of 0 also different types of constant values will come, and due to this, okay, indefinite integrals. Take one example, and here how many formulas in integration we have written. In formulas also you can write, you can add constant, add or subtract any. Okay. Suppose that e power x dx. So e power x dx their integration will be e power x and plus constant. Why adding constant? Because 0 their integration, here you write 0 their integration what will be constant. So 0 everywhere, 0 we can integrate anywhere. So that's why constant is adding in their solution, and that constant also not constant, but their value is not fixed. Any value will be 2, 3, 4, pi, under root 2, under root 3, minus 3, minus 5 like that. So in place of C also can write C1, and then student writing C2, C3, C4. So like that so many. So that's why saying that infinite number of solutions. But in answer you have to write any one solution. Okay, no need to write infinite. That's not possible. But you have to understand, you have to write in solution only one. And in place of C1, C2, generally we write C. Okay. So this was first type of integrals, indefinite integral. But if we give limits, suppose 0 to 2. If we give limits 0 to 2, then constant will come. But due to limits, okay, C will remove. Clear? So in definite integrals, we will not write that constant. Okay, because no benefit of that. That after putting values of limits, then will remove. Clear? So this is definite integrals, and in that only one solution. What will come? Only one solution. Because that constant that will cancel. That will not remove, that will be cancelled. Okay. By the rule of this. So that's why when limits will be given, so their value, their solution, that is fixed. Okay. So in starting some exercises, you have to study not some more exercises in definite integrals, and definite integrals one exercise, that one or two exercises given related that. Okay. So in definite integrals, but in definite integrals, one question fixed 5 mark question, 5 mark or 3 mark. Okay. And from this chapter integration near about in board exam, near about 14 to 15 mark questions will come, so you can understand importance of this chapter. And from this integration, suppose that 50% syllabus, 12th class there 50% syllabus based upon differentiation, you can say, because integration also based upon differentiation. So when your differentiation will be clear, then easily you can do integration. Clear? So first you have to write all formulas of differentiation. Clear? And after that you write all formulas of differentiation. First you write and also try to learn. So when you start questions, then slowly also will learn formulas. But first you write all formulas, and formulas are given on page number 355. Okay, 355, 55, 56, 57, 55, 56, 57. Okay. So formulas related integration are given on page number 355, 56 and 57. And in between exercises also their formulas are given. Okay. So now I will start first exercise, and page number 290 also given. Here write page number 290 also. Okay, so these pages are related formulas. Clear? So now you can start exercise 7.1. Okay, so in 7.1, first you start from question number 6. So 6 to 22, after that 1 to 5. Okay, so exercise 7. Question number 6. Find the following integrals in exercises 6 to 20. So first question 6, over e power 3x plus 1 dx. Clear? So here plus is given, means these terms are attached with this plus sign. So you separate these functions. So 4e power 3x dx plus this 1 dx. So in differentiation also, when you differentiating some functions and their constant term, so you will differentiate that function, okay, leaving constant term. So this constant term that will be out from the integration. So 4, then what will be remaining? E power 3x dx. And here only constant, okay, that is 1. Okay. So you write, so 4, because not any other term, so that's why. So you know formula for e power x, not for e power 3x. So if coming like that, except x any other values given, then you suppose, so 3x you write there, 3x suppose 3. Then differentiate both sides. What you are supposing with respect to that, you differentiate both sides. So differentiate with respect to t. So 3 dx by dt is equal to t So dt by dt, that will be 1. Clear? So means this 1. So dx what will be, because here is given dx, so dx will be dt by dt. So you write here. So e power in place of 3xt and dx in place of that dt by dt plus and 1. So 1 which function differentiation 1 x. So x their differentiation 1. So 1 their integration x plus constant. And here 4 by 3 constant will be out. Then e power t dt. So that will be same e power t plus x plus. Then putting t value here. So place is not given, so here you write e power t means 3x plus x plus, that will be. Okay. So like that you can try some questions. Okay. Thank you.